Subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications on new videos.
Hello, in this video we'll see how to enable dark theme in Windows 10. So let's see how to enable dark theme in Windows 10. Some of you might already have done this. So let's go to Windows settings page. So here we are at the Windows settings page. Click on personalization and you have several options to personalize your Windows experience, colors and themes. For this purpose we'll go to colors, and if we scroll down to the bottom we have the dark option. So just click there to enable dark theme. The dark theme is applied as soon as it is clicked. You can also play around with the color options for the title bars and taskbar if necessary. So let's explore where else the dark theme has been applied. Windows settings page is dark. File Explorer is not dark, unfortunately. So here I'm just exploring what else is dark. So my Google web browser is dark, and Firefox browser is dark as well. Microsoft Word toolbars are all the same, light, and Windows calculator is dark as well. But the File Explorer is still light. So if you have applied Windows dark theme on Windows 10, but if your File Explorer is still light, then probably you need to update your Windows 10. So let's see the version of Windows that I'm running here. Settings, System, scroll down to the bottom and click About, and as we can see here the version of Windows is 1803. So 1803 and lower versions doesn't support the dark theme in the Windows File Explorer, so we need to update Windows. Let's see how to do that. So if you see that the Windows version is 1803 or lower, then you go to your Windows settings page, update in security, and check if you have a Windows update notification, or just scan for an update. Update in security, and I have the option to upgrade to 1903, so just continue with the update. So the download will take some time, and after that you would need to restart Windows. So the Windows update has been completed and I have restarted the computer, and now I can see the dark theme or mode in the Windows File Explorer as well. So if you want to apply dark theme in Windows 10, just follow the steps in this video and you should also be able to enable dark theme in Windows. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications on new videos.